2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, moonroof, power steering, center armrest, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, power driver's seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.